Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Miro boards for wireframes to Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your Miro board that contains the wireframes you want to backup. Look for the export option located in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Click on the export option to reveal a drop-down menu. Choose the format you would like to export your wireframes in. You can select formats such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF based on your preference. After selecting the format, click on the Export Board button. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to specify the download location. Select Download to save the file directly to your device. Navigate to your Google Drive account in your web browser. Log in if you are not already signed in. Once you are in Google Drive, locate the My Drive area. Click on the plus New button located on the left side of the screen. From the options that appear, select File Upload. Browse through your device to find the file you just downloaded from Miro. Select the file and click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. A progress bar will indicate the status. Once the upload is finished, you will see the file listed in your Google Drive. To ensure everything is in order, click on the newly uploaded file to preview it. Confirm that the wireframes appear as intended in the preview mode. Your backup is now successfully stored in Google Drive for easy access. Remember to regularly backup your Miro boards to keep your work safe. This process ensures that you always have a copy of your wireframes available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.